What's good, all my trader homies? Kevin here, coming at you from Touchdown Trades with the top penny stocks to trade right now for the second half of June. So I ran a scan looking for lower price stocks that we can swing trade over the next week or so. I came up with a criteria for the scan. The float had to be under 50 million. The average volume had to be over 1 million. We don't want to be trading any low liquidity BS tickers. The price had to be under $10. Ticker had to be up 30% at least on the quarter, but down on the week. So actually down on the month. So we're looking for strong names that are pulling back where we can get in on the pullback and ride that momentum back up. So let's get into it. All right, guys. So the first ticker we're going to talk about here is this AGS. They're in the gaming industry. Well, they build games like slot machines and blackjack tables and that kind of stuff for the casino industry. So they've obviously been crushed. We'll take a look here at the chart. This is a 180-day, 4-hour chart. So this is when the Rona first started playing around right here. That's where the Rona came out to play. And it's absolutely just been demolished. The casino's being closed. You can see just straight sell off, and then finally found a base and has taken off here of late, and you got this nice trend line that it has been messing around with here over the last week or so. And what it's created is an opportunity to have a defined risk, right? So this trend line is going to be our risk. You have touch, and it held it. So we're going to be looking to get in. Let's break down the chart into a faster time frame here. 5-day, 5-minute chart. So you can see where it came down, messed around with the trend lines, and then is kind of based out and consolidated over the past week or so. So I'm going to be looking to get in this around probably 440, 450 average. And I'm going to be looking for this to move back up towards the prior highs to take profit up around $6 or so. I'll take my first piece off before that level and look for the break of that level to take the rest off. As the casinos start to open back up, I think people are eager to get back out and have some fun. I tried to go out to eat the last weekend, and the waits were all like 2-3 hours where I live here around Atlanta, and all the local stores are just packed. So I think when these casinos getting up and running, there is going to be an unexpected market to say that people want to go out and have fun. So I think this AGS will get helped out as the casinos start to report that their business is taking off as soon as they start to open up. This AGS does trade at average volume of about 1 million shares a day. You can see down here, we won't have any issues getting in or out of this trade, so nothing to worry about on that front. And I think it's the risk to reward is very good. We're risking probably less than 50 cents to make $1.50 or so. So good R to R there, and no problem with liquidity. All right, let's move on to trade number 2. All right, so this second ticker we're going to go over is this ALT, another swing trade candidate. So it is picked up some steam of late. It is a biopharma that has a liver disease medications in the pipeline. And you know how I feel about biopharmas. I don't care what drug they're making. I don't care if they have FDA announcements coming up, because we can't predict that kind of stuff. And if you try to predict that kind of stuff, you will never be successful. So all I care about is the chart here, and the chart is pretty sexy. You know, it's like a girl walking down the beach in a thong. That's what I see when I see this chart. I see money. You have the rampant volume is absolutely taken off. Shorts are trapped. You have the controlled pullback, and then it's starting to base out again. And I'm looking to buy around $7, probably a little before 7. My risk is going to be this volume area here. You have volume traded in this section. You have volume traded right here. and you also have volume traded in this area. So that's going to create support for it. So we're going to be risking about $1, a little more than $1, to make my first take profit will be up around 850, with my second take profit up towards this volume 950 or so, and maybe I'll hold a piece for these highs, but that was probably a news announcement day, so I probably won't be looking for that. But you could, if you wanted to hold a piece for the highs, you could hold for that. Trades, good volume, 2 million shares a day, so no issues with liquidity on this one as well. Easy in and out, and that's what we're looking for. So now we will talk about the third and final ticker of the video. Alright guys, so the CLSN is another biopharma name. Trades 1.5 million shares a day of late, so easy in and out. And it's obviously ramped up here over the past couple months and has just gone parabolic, consolidated, gone parabolic again. And then we had a harsh pullback, which has probably flushed out all the longs. Shorts are still trapped there, so we're looking for the pullback entry. I'm going to be getting long towards 4 or so, risking off 340 or so. My risk will be down here in this volume area, and I'm looking for a pushback towards the highs. We'll scale out towards the highs. I'm not necessarily looking for the highs, as this is another instance where this move is probably made on some kind of PR or something. I'm not trading looking for another PR to push it over those highs, but I am looking for a bounce off the dip buy and to get out into strength. So those are my 3 top swing trades for the second half of June, top 3 penny stock swing trades. And what's great about those trades is you don't have to worry about volume on these tickers. I hate getting stuck in these low volume, low liquidity names. I don't mess with them anymore. So I wanted to present you guys 3 tickers that offer good risk to reward, but also offer you guys the ability to trade a little bit of size in it, a few thousand shares without having to worry about liquidity. So if you guys got anything from this video, make sure you smash that thumbs up button for me, and please subscribe. Like 70% of the people who watch my videos are not subscribers, and I would appreciate it if you subscribe if you got anything from it. If you took one of these trades and you're green on it, wait to subscribe actually. Wait to subscribe. Take a trade that I went over today. If you do take a trade, I'm not telling you you have to take a trade, but if you do and it's green, come back and subscribe to my channel. I appreciate you guys, appreciate the view, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.